Single family home rentals, question here. Do you self-manage them or do you outsource them? I mean, a lot of people, at least in this tribe, were passive investors. Your highest and best use is likely at your day job or doing something else, or if you have enough money, go and enjoy life. The way I'm always going to skew is going to property management. Kind of one of the things that got me started in this whole rental real estate thing was I saw my college landlord. He had to drive to the place that we stayed at to unclog our toilets or do whatever fixes throughout the house that we lived in. And his poor wife had to like wait in the Mercedes as he did this for about like 45 minutes. And then they could go out to dinner. And I was like, man, that's so dumb. I mean, I get it. In Seattle or like places, primary markets, your numbers don't work to be able to pay a professional property manager. You know, if your rent to value ratios are under 1%, you're not going to, the numbers aren't going to work. And I would say it's not that the property manager fees are too high. It's just your rental property isn't working. It doesn't, the income is not sustained by the expenses. Property managers, they're going to get paid 5 to 10% of the income and 50 to 100% of the first month's rent. That's their market rate. I think what I urge most guys is to think more like an investor than a landlord. You own a bunch of properties and you get good at it, you enjoy it, then yeah, knock yourself out and be a self-manager and do it all yourself. But I don't really know anybody who really gets into the business of property management. It seems to me as kind of like the lowest rung of management jobs out there. Most times what they'll do is like their employment plan is to just try and get a college grad who couldn't find a job and stick them in the seat, pay them 30, 40 grand a year.